And welcome back everybody into another recap of the day, which is usually a daily recap. Today is the 13th of February, it's a Tuesday, and of course it's the big day of the CPI. So today we had the CPI during the New York session, and we're going to see the impact that it had mainly on the USD pairs. We're going to see now start from the actual GBPJPY, just because after the CPI I took one trade on it. As you can see, this was doing some back testing, some like seeing the setups throughout the London session, whatever. So we had the CPI coming up quite good, quite strong. So that means that for the USD, it's a strong, it's a positive and bullish confirmation, which of course for the gold and the XXX USD pairs, that's a bearish confirmation. So when I saw this thing happening on GBPJPY, I saw this bearish candle, strongly bearish, and I saw that we could retest this area on the left hand side that you can see. I didn't place anything because the start of the session was like the minute after the actual NFP, the CPI, sorry. But the spread was good, the price action was not bad. So this is just back testing. A sell limit over here would have been a winning trade for around more than 20 pips. After that, we saw the bullish spike and the bullish correction of the price. Initially, I had this idea with a retest of this last PSA. Anyway, would have been a loss anyway, but I took one buy, first buy, at the retest of this old one and the most recent PSA. So I took a buy, 5 pips, and then it was a loss. After that, I didn't really focus on GBPJPY at all because I saw the price action was quite rubbish. So that was the first loss on GBPJPY. Let's go into GBPUSD. As you can see, on GBPUSD, this is the whole price action, the full price action, but we're going to start from the London session. During the London session, I saw, this is even pre-London session, I saw break, retest. We had some GBP news, and break and retest of this area, exactly over here. I got my retest, only like 2.4, 2.3 pips of drawdown, and then 10 pips TP hit. Beautiful. Then, of course, I missed these two. I saw this price action, I missed this one and the following one. Even this breaker retest would have been a win, yes, but I missed that. This one would have been a break-even trade. And after that, of course, I was waiting for the CPI. The CPI came up strong. So as we said, it was coming very bullish, a little bit increased. That means USD strong. This is a 1 minute 73 pips candle, 80 pips candle. Yeah, 73 just on the downside. Jesus. And what I missed was this perfect retest. This perfect retest, you can see over here on the 1 minute, it's beautiful because it's retesting the lower wick of this candle, which we know that on the 20-tick chart, this is a huge, you can see, I always talk about it, it's a huge reaction point, huge last lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, and nice retest of the hourly as well. And yeah, this one would have been the best retest for more than 10 pips. You can see that throughout the session, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, this area will be retested and giving some rejection. Then what I saw was this trade idea. Price is breaking below this low after the failure to make new highs. And just give me a second. Okay, you have a cat in the middle of the desk. This was a nice entry, retesting these lows, and it will only go like 3.7 pips and then go out into a loss. So for now we have 2 losses on GBPJPY and GBPUSD and 1 win. And yeah, after that, I was waiting for the retest breakout below these lows. I also had a sell stop below here, I guess, at around 59, 25, 59. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But yeah, a sell stop over here would have been a win. And the further entry, did I have any further entry? Okay, yeah, I had a further entry later on after seeing this price action moving. And yeah, but it was a loss because yeah, it was another loss. So we had three losses and one win, and I missed out on this bullish price action. So let's go into the 1 minute. So it's a closure below the 1 minute and then just pushes up. Here on the other side, this retest of this PSA would have given another win, but yeah, same thing, same reaction at the same point. For this one would have been a 10 pip win. Now let's go to the main juice, which is on gold. Gold, nothing throughout the London session. I was waiting for the main event, which was the New York session and the CPI. So CPI, it's full of trade ideas and of unlucky. Jesus, I hate this. And full of trade ideas and missed entries. So first of all, we have this entry over here. Same thing that I was saying on GBPUSD. Retest of this lower wick, especially if we look at it on the 20-tick chart. It's absolutely clear. You see the retest of this lower wick and these last lows. This one would have been a win, just going to on downside. And here, this one is also missed on the 1 minute. So I missed these first two. Price already moved a little bit and I'm missing trades. This one is the first one that is quite interesting. So I can show you the chart shots on gold of today, the 13th. Okay. So I saw this price action. You can see I saw it, but I didn't take. Look, I had my first limit order. We're talking about this one. You can see on the 20-tick chart. We're talking about this first one. I had my order over there and it got missed. I can delete this. Got missed by, I don't know, a pip or less. Look. And yeah, it would have gone into a win. Furthermore, yeah, this one would have been a 30 pip win. Then this one is just on the 1 minute, makes more sense. Second limit order missed by less than a pip. You can see, it touched, but it didn't get activated. And yeah, it will go into profits. Bam, just into profits. This entry would have been possibly a break even or maybe a loss. After that, we see a strong push up for a sort of pullback. After this big move, it's normal to have a deeper pullback. What I took was this actually break and retest. Nice retest. I placed a sell limit over here, got activated, and I also got like 35 pips. I had my TP at these lows because it's around 45 and I said, okay, might go to those lows. But yeah, I took my profits at 35, which is a win. So we are good. Then I got missed for the third time over here. So let's see. I also should have okay, you can see I got missed again. And yeah, by less than a pip, and the price will go into profits very, very nicely, 30 pips. And the thing is that after seeing this price action, I actually removed the sell limit, which will then get activated, 7 pip of drawdown, and then down again. Bam. Boom, 30 more pips. Here, I had the sell limit. I removed it. Why did I remove it? I removed it. I don't think I have this one. Okay. I removed it because I wanted to take, I took this entry with this sell limit on GBPUSD. You can see that this is the same time. 411, 411. So on GBPUSD, I take it and I lose. This one, guess what? Would have been a break-even one. After that, yeah, not much happening, but you can see how many opportunities we had on gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8, 9 trade opportunities just on gold with this, even on the 1 minute we're talking about, because it was around a 30 pips, 300 pips move. And yeah, then also on GBPUSD, the same. We had a little bit less, you can see the price did not move that much, but if we were monitoring gold, yeah, that would have been absolutely okay. Anyway, at the end of the day, this is today, so it's still profitable. So 2 wins and 3 losses. Of course, there's the losses. I also, since it was the last one, I reduced the lot size, but still, that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm very happy. Honestly, I'm very happy for today. I saw a lot of trade opportunities and I took them. I just placed my limit order, and that takes out a lot of stress that I used to have. But I also saw that I got very unlucky a couple of times. Maybe I should place the sell limit a little bit down, further down. But yeah, it's okay. As long as I take my entries, that's absolutely fine. And yeah, this is good. This is very good trading, I would say. And yeah, I didn't show you the actual CPI data, which is more than expected, more than expected, more than expected, more than expected. Still decreasing, but more than expected. And yeah, what do we have? Tomorrow we have the PPI, CPI for the pound. I think I won't be able to trade it because tomorrow is the gym time. But yeah, let's see what do we have for the rest of the week. Some other on Thursday. And that should be it. I don't think we are going to have anything on Friday for the dollar. Thursday. Okay, Thursday we have jobless claims, retail sales. Okay. And on Friday, retail sales, and then PPI and Michigan consumer sentiment. Yeah. It's interesting. These 2 days on GBP should be good. Should be actually very, should bring some volatility, but I don't think I will be able to trade them. Hopefully I might adapt and do something about it, but let's see. We're going to see about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. It was a nice, really felt nice today, not just for the profits, because of course I could have had more profits, but just for the feeling. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.